everyone, welcome to MyTech Edu Information, Knowledge is Life. In previous videos, we have seen some of the basic concepts related to computer graphics, then raster scan display, random scan display. You can check all these videos in playlist also, and I am going to share all the links in description. Now in this video, we will learn what is scan conversion. So scan conversion is the process of representing continuous graphics object as a collection of discrete pixels is known as scan conversion. This process can be described with the help of these two objects shown below. Here, line is the first object and circle is another object. So line is made up of 2 points. When you will connect these 2 points with each other, it is going to create a line. And this continuous representation of this line, a graphics object, is called as a scan conversion. And in second example, here it is a circle, in which circle is acting as a graphics object and its continuous representation with the help of pixel is known as scan conversion. So now, what is this scan conversion? This converts every object into a set of pixels. It is having specific rules for scan conversion. First one is all the pixels must have same brightness. And second one, object must be free from any orientation and independent of length and size. Scan conversion is having two methods. It means it is done with the help of two methods. First one is analog method and second one is digital method. In analog method, it is done for large number of delay cells and it is appropriate for any analog video. It is performed using particular specialized scan converter vacuum tube. All the polar coordinates, that is angle and distance, data from a source such as radar receiver, so that it can be displayed on any raster scan display. Digital method. In this method, any picture is stored in a line or frame buffer with N1 speed and is read with N2 speed. It means storing of any particular line is done with another speed and reading of that line or performing that line as a graphics object is done with the help of N2 speed. So these two speeds are different. Several picture processing techniques are also applicable with the help of digital method. Then let us learn why there is a need of scan conversion algorithms. Because they are helping in accelerating the process of scan conversion. They help to generate graphics object at a faster rate comparatively. It is used for memory, which is also used efficiently. The production quality of object on the screen is also improved. So these kind of conversion algorithms are applied for various objects like point, line, polygon, circle, arc, or any filled region. So let us see what are the advantages of this scan conversion. So this scan conversion methodology is used for many purposes including TV, the card is used to capture a video, LCD monitor, projectors used for video display, many more. Second one, this conversion technique has large and many applications in daily life. One can efficiently perform this scan conversion using high and good speed circuits that are integrated. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Disadvantages. While digital scan conversion, the analog video signal gets converted into digital signal of data, and we can apply the scan conversion with only LSI, that is large scale integration, and VLSI, that is very large scale integration, integrated circuits. I hope regarding scan conversion everything is clear. Thank you so much.